Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, I am playing video games just for a minute while I introduce my lesson for you today. I had another video to post today. I had like 7 minutes more on the edit, and my friend Dina emailed me and she needed my advice on a picture. Dina is usually really good, and she sent me this picture and I was like, oy vey, it needs a little bit more help than I can give you an email, so I'll make you a video. And since she wants to do this picture, I needed to bump the one that I was working on until Wednesday and give this picture a go-over. Now, what made me very excited about doing this is the fact that a lot of people make the same mistakes. This picture, I'm kind of surprised it was done by Elena Lazareva, and let's get to it and I will put down the video games. So here we have Dina's picture, and the original sketch was done by Elena Lazareva. Now, I'm a little bit surprised because I don't recognize this picture at all. But it is an elephant apparently sitting on a branch with a night sky. It was done using alcohol markers. What she wanted to know was whether she should make the elephant darker or the sky darker. When I first saw it, I was like, there's a horizon line. I didn't realize this was a tree, and it looks like a road. And I thought this was the horizon line. Now, the horizon line is the line between the sky and the earth. Now, if there is an horizon line, the sky couldn't be down here. Except for the fact, if this is the trunk of a tree, it's not shaped like the trunk of a tree. It's kind of more like a windy road. But she did say she didn't shade it. Now, in a better sketch, there would be a wider girth over here, and it would slowly taper to a point as the tree goes on. And what threw me off was there was mushrooms up on the branches of the tree. Usually those type of mushrooms grow on the ground. That's where I kind of lost my perspective on what was going on in this picture. Let's see where we can help her. Should the sky be darker or the elephant be darker? The answer is the sky should be darker. In order for you to see stars, the sky has to be dark. So the elephant is looking into a very light sky, too light for all these things around. I would definitely darken the sky on this picture. To make it look really good when you're doing a sky, it depends on what time of night it is. Now, I want you to think of this. If it's getting towards the early morning, at the horizon line, it would be lighter here and darker there because the sun is coming up or the sun is going down. In the middle of the night, when it's at its darkest, this would be dark. And you might have up here in the moonlight, the sky gets light or lighter. You have to make a decision at the beginning of the picture what it's going to be. So I would have taken this either as a branch. I would have texturized, added in a lot more shading so that it kind of looks like a branch. But if it's not going to be a branch and it's a road, just extend it going down. Do the back darker than the front. The front should be the lightest part, and you will have a definite distinction between the focal point, which is the elephant. Now, you know how I have done videos and I've said in the past, don't do a pearl necklace. And that is exactly what she has here. So if you want to see the exact what a pearl necklace is, it's where she went dark and then immediately light. And she followed it around like a pearl necklace. See, it goes all the way around. And you never want to have that because that's not natural. That looks coloring book or comic book. She likes it a little bit more realistic. She does a little bit more realistic work. Now, if you think I'm insulting her, not at all, because she is the person whose artwork is hanging up in my craft room. I've filmed it before. She does much better pictures than this, and she knows she does. In fact, she's going to redo this picture. I'm not a redoer. Are you? My question for you, are you a redoer? If you're doing a picture, do you redo the picture if it doesn't come out good? Or are you a one-shot deal? I'm a one-shot deal. If the picture doesn't come out good, I close the book on that picture. I never do pictures twice. Dina is completely the opposite. Dina will do a picture 3-4 times. She never gives up on a picture. She doesn't like something, she doesn't mind redoing it. And her pictures are very, very, very special because it's her way of showing affection and the way she expresses love. If you get a Dina picture, she loves you. So that is why I needed to help her on this, because some lucky person is going to get this picture. So she's doing a night sky, and with the colors swirling, there would never be this type of line in a night sky. It would be swirly and the colors would go blending into themselves, and there would be no harsh lines in the sky at all. It's not an easy thing to do. I think she did fantastic on her blue. This would be if she got in a little darker color and she went like more of this color, a midnight color, and added that a little bit more in here and took away this big pink ribbon that's kind of out of place. Add in smaller amounts as you get the nebula effect. Nebulas are very hard to do, and you really have to blend them well. Oh, another thing on it. These have complete rings going around them, so they look like growths of cancer. Does this elephant have warts? Really? It's the nurse in me. What can I tell you? Do not ring these, because what you're doing is bringing them out like they're growths. Just ease them in with the color and blending, and it'll look more like elephant skin. And I wish Elena didn't put that in. I don't know why. This is the bottom of the back foot, and this. Don't know what these things are. So I wish those weren't there, because the picture would have been a lot better. It's little toe. How many toes does he? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 toes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toes. Okay. It's a 6-toed elephant. Do elephants have 6 toes? I could be laughing at it and going, no, elephants have 6 toes. I don't know. I've never. Do they have toes? I'm sure they have toes. I need to Google that. Do elephants have toes? Oh, no Bing. Yes, according to sources, all elephants have 5 toes per foot. Okay, if it's official, we have an extra toe. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's 6 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 toes. Okay. So, I hope this helps a little bit with the perspective. In my next video, that was supposed to be today, we're going to be learning a new pencil technique. One that's really easy and one I'm really happy to be bringing to you, because I've never taught this lesson. This is not a duplicate. I actually went through all 800 of my videos and I've never taught this lesson before. I will see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.